How did Zeus really become king of the gods? Episode 12, Zeus and the Lost Goddess, Persephone's Fate. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Mythology. Updates, golden fields, sway under sunlight, Persephone laughs as she gathers flowers, but beauty often draws shadows, and beneath the earth, Hades, god of the underworld, watched her with longing. Suddenly, the ground splits. Fiery chariots burst forth. With Zeus's silent consent, Hades seized Persephone, dragging her into the depths below. Dark tunnels spiral downward. Persephone struggles as Hades claims her as queen. When Demeter, goddess of harvest and Persephone's mother, discovered the abduction, her grief scorched the earth, crops withered, and mortals starved. Zeus atop Olympus, torn between brother and daughter of the earth. To restore balance, Zeus intervened, demanding Persephone's return, but Hades had a plan. Persephone eats 6 pomegranate seeds. Bound by the fruit of the underworld, Persephone would spend half the year below and half above. Thus began the eternal cycle of seasons. Next time, Zeus faces rebellion within Olympus itself.